Construction sites can be risky places, especially when there's cranes involved. At Kapitol Group, we're all about safety. We've found an effective way to manage safety on site in form of high-risk workshops. These workshops are the cornerstone of our risk management strategy. They're a proactive approach to making sure we leave no room for error by identifying and assessing risks comprehensively. These workshops are valuable. They provide a safe, collaborative space for all stakeholders to take part, ranging from project managers, construction managers, down to the end user, the people doing the work on site. The workshops create a space where questions are encouraged, answers are sought, and knowledge is gained collectively. Crane operations are complex and they demand precision. The high-risk workshop that we carry out with the key stakeholders doesn't just stay within a room, it goes to site as well. We cover various aspects of tower crane safety in the workshops, from checklists to permits. They leave no stone unturned. We define safety zones, we plan sequences and scrutinise every risk. We dive into safe work method statements, leaving no detail unexamined. We acknowledge critical risks like working at heights, weather conditions. And by involving decision makers, we're not only raising the bar for safety, we're setting new safety standards. Kapitol Group, committed to elevating safety through high-risk workshops for crane operations, because when it comes to safety, there is no compromise.